In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily set up quick access to your digital wallet on your device using just a few simple steps. This can save you time and make paying or accessing your wallet features more convenient, especially when you're in a rush. First, let's navigate to your device's settings. To begin, find the Settings icon on your home screen. It usually looks like a small gear or cogwheel. Tap on it to open your device settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, you'll need to scroll down and search for an option labeled Advanced Features. This section is typically filled with additional settings that enhance your device's functions and streamline various tasks. Once you locate Advanced Features, go ahead and tap it to open up more options. Within Advanced Features, you'll see a number of different choices. What you're looking for next is the setting for the side button. This feature is pivotal as it allows you to assign specific functions to your device's physical buttons, thus making actions like accessing apps quicker and more efficient. Tap on the side button to proceed. Now, we need to assign your digital wallet to this side button. You're going to look for an option that says Open App, which enables your side button to open an app of your choosing instantly. Select Open App. After choosing this, you'll want to make sure that your digital wallet is the app that opens when you activate this button. This setup can largely simplify how you access your wallet by literally putting it at your fingertips. Next, you'll want to revisit the main settings page. To do this, tap the back arrow at the top of the screen until you're back on the main settings menu. Once there, look for the settings icon again and use the search functionality to find wallet. Just type wallet into the search bar and select it from the results. Tap the wallet app to ensure it's selected as your default quick access app. Once you've done that, you can close the settings, returning to your home page. Now, for the magic part, by simply double-clicking your power off button, you'll immediately open your wallet. This action uses the changes you've made to the side button settings and allows you to access your wallet swiftly without scrolling through multiple apps or menus. And there you have it. Just like that, you've streamlined access to your wallet, making it quicker and more efficient than ever to make payments or access important wallet features. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.